I suspect slightly happier of the two. Rohit Sharma joins us. Were you always certain that you had this game covered?
Look, till the last ball is bowled, nothing is certain. That's how this game is. And, halfway through the stage, we felt like, it's a reasonable score. We have to really, really bat well to get that score because the nature of the pitch doesn't allow you to just come and, keep playing the way you want to play. But I thought, we were very, very clinical with the bat. Yes, we got the runs at the 48th over, but I thought we were very calm and composed in our chase.
I was going to ask you about that surface. Compared to the other three surfaces you've played on, was this a better surface from a batting point of view?
Yeah, looked better. But look, that's been the nature of the surfaces here. It's very uncertain. The one doesn't tend to play well. The one which we played today played slightly better than the one we played against New Zealand. So the talks that we are having within our group is just about playing good cricket, understanding the situation, and then taking it from there. Not to read too much into what the pitch is doing and stuff like that. There are a lot of experienced guys within the group, so we leave it up to them to make those decisions when they're out in the middle.
It must be such a luxury for you to call on six fairly experienced bowlers whenever you want to. Any of those six.
Yeah, that's something that I really wanted, to have six bowling options, and at the same time how I can get batting till number 8 as well. So it was a bit of challenge, but when we were just making up the squad, this is something that we discussed at length, how we can have six bowling option and at the same time get that batting depth as well. But yeah, look, credit goes to everyone who were involved in making that team. Yeah, when you have six bowling options, you can choose from whatever you want, and then depending on the kind of batters who are in, what's the right matchup and stuff like that. So it's a bit of thinking that you have to do when you are out in the middle, and the guys are there to know exactly what is required out of them.
When Kohli is batting like that in a run chase, is there a sense of calm in the change room?
Yeah, look, he's done it for us for so many years. And like I said, we were in the entire, when we were batting, we were very calm. We wanted that big partnership which Shreyas and Virat had, which was really, really good. And then the small partnerships between Akshar and Virat, and then KL and Virat, and then obviously that match-winning partnership. Towards the end, it may not look big runs, but those shots in the end by Hardik was very, very crucial.
Going into a final now, and India have had a fantastic record in ICC tournaments of late. You must be enthused by the form of so many people. Shami's come back. Hardik is looking good. KL Rahul has batted really well. You must be enthused by the form of so many key players going into that final.
Yeah, very, very, very happy with that. To be honest, when you want to play the finals, you want all your guys to be in form. And having had made impact in the games previously that's been played before. So all these guys have made an impact whenever they've gotten an opportunity. And that is something that gives us a lot of confidence going into that final game. Again, we will not think too much about it. When the time comes, we'll put our thinking cap on and start thinking about what we need to do at that particular time.
So tomorrow, day off or watch intently as South Africa take on New Zealand in Lahore?
Now look, both are good team. There's no doubt, which is why they're playing the semis. But for us, we'll keep an eye on it. At the same time, I want the guys to have time off and relax as well, because it's a very, very high pressure tournament, and you go through so much emotion through the game. So it's always nice to have some time off and just relax, and then think about the finals. We've got some time in between, which is always nice. So we'll think about what we need to do then. But yeah, for tomorrow, just try to relax.
Well done, and congratulations on a very good win.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.